Hello, this is me again, Mark, and it's another video. And on this video, I would like to feature the Iscarioz Street of the Cebu City. Our video will start here from the PhilHealth building. That's the PhilHealth building in front. And we will take the Iscarioz Street going to the Banawa. So on this video, I'm going to feature that street, Iscarioz Street. So bear with me, and we are now taking the Iscarioz Street. Before that, I really want to say thank you to all of the subscribers of this channel. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for liking the videos, sharing the videos, and for commenting the videos. If you have something in mind that you want to suggest, please don't hesitate to suggest, because I am listening and I'm really taking note of your suggestion. And we are just really hoping we can improve this channel through your suggestion, because you are really part of this channel. And this is the Iscarioz Street, Cebu City. And this is the feature of this is the feature street of this video, the purpose of this video. And today is really peaceful, not so traffic, because it's Saturday today and early morning of Saturday. That's the Capitol Square, Iscarioz. The Lex Cebu. Sikat na siya sa unang restaurant. This one is Anika Sweets. Dili man na siya Anika before. I dili na siya Anika Sweets before. That's not Anika Sweets before. And this is the Cebu Provincial Capital. That's going to the Puente. This one is Cebu Provincial Capital. Cebu Provincial Capital. That's going to Puente Osmeña, kanang road kato dito. Kani ang provincial capital sa Cebu. So that was the Iscarioz Street. Ato na ipadayon kay we will go to the Banawa. We are going to the Banawa. Oops, nayabo ang akong water. In San Francisco, Amethyst Boutique Hotel. La 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 na 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 na. That's the One Pavilion Mall, One Pavilion Residences, that one. So this is the first month of the 2026. That's the Sundance Residences, and that's the One Pavilion. And that's going to Guadalupe. That road, kana nga road, going na siya Guadalupe. And to the left, going siya sa Virama, and going straight kay going na siya sa Banawa. And that's the Sundance Residences, and that's the One Pavilion Residential. Then ang ubusan na kay mall, yan ang mga residential, One Pavilion Residential building. Then below of that is mall, and this one is Chowking Wala ka literal laging motor mo sulod lagi. Pit siya maana sa multicab. That's going to Guadalupe. And that's going to Virama. And this one is going sa Banawa. In San Francisco, like we coming back in Massachusetts. One pavilion mall ang ubos, then residential ang taas. And that's the Sundance Residences. That's where I am heading right now. I'm going to here in Sundance Residence. In San Francisco, like going back in Massachusetts. Thank you, Chip. Ay, nayabo na pod. I've been back in Massachusetts. Ay, gahak. Nayabo. Someday, somewhere, someday, the road's not gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when somewhere down the road. The roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter. Somewhere down the road. Come to see that you belong with me. Live in God. It's just another way to say I love